welcome to Boolean Buffet. Today we are going to discuss about another AI called Rosebud AI, and this is a browser-based AI platform that generate fully playable 2D or 3D games and web app and interactive experience from a plain English prompt. And how it works, like you described what you want, say a platform with a dragon, or the prompt which precisely say about the game. Like let's try to create a prompt like create a snake, um, okay, snake bite game with special features. Okay, so when you type this prompt, and you can upload any images along with this prompt, and when you click enter, it will ask two types of options, whether it could be a 2D or 3D. I'll choose 2D first. So when you click it, it starts building the game for you. And this is the platform, and this is where you just the behind the scene, the code will be generated automatically for building this game. And this preview section, you can play a game, and you don't need to install any software, and you can run a game in a browser itself. And this is the assert which will be used for the specific game. And the code, the what type of a code, or what kind of a code they have this AI built, and it will be listed out here, but you need to upgrade for seeing the code. And also this is something like when you upgrade it, you can download the code, or you just connect it to the Supabase and share it to others. So this is something like the kids or educators or hobbyists, and some developers and coders who want to prototype or teach with AI assisted creation. So அவங்க எல்லாருமே இதை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Over 700,000 games have been developed by this community so far. So the key features வந்து no software install, and runs right in your browser. And editable code வந்து editables, suppose if you upgrade it with some limited money, then you can edit the code as per your requirement. And fully remix and community culture. And founded basically this Rosebud AI founded in 2019, and headquartered in California. So I think some amount of thing has already built, I believe. Okay, it's processing something again. Okay. mm, okay, continue with the next step. Okay, see, so this is how the game. Okay, so I think I just moved the what is that, the snake ஓட இது வந்து okay, but not a reasonable, but I can see the snake head. But I just entered the I just click the what is that button, கீபோர்டில் நான் பட்டன் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறேன், அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த கேம் வந்து ஒர்க் ஆகுது பாருங்கள். So this is really cool. And if you want to okay, do additional features, let's add a self collision check. If the snake head runs into our own body, then snake should, okay, so these are all the additional features that AI provided and want to add, or in the current game. On top of that, we can add these features also. When you click the continue with the next step, it start building that features in the base game. அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி டாப் லெவலில் வந்து on top of the base game, it just added the features and all. So this is how the game this AI built. And when you click the history, and you can see all the history part. And so there are several features are available, like you can build 2D or 3D games கூட நம்மளால் பில்ட் பண்ணிக்க முடியும். And pros வந்து no code to low code, like a game creation வந்து it's like a great for beginners. You can describe a game in natural language. And whether you can choose it to 2D or 3D, it will develop automatically, and no installation required, definitely. And auto generated assets like automatically creates a 2D spreads and 3D model and game logic. So without needing to design or code everything from scratch, it just created automatically. You can customize the visuals or regenerate with variations, and instant playability, like you can once the game is done, or once the code is done, you can play at the right moment in your browser itself. And remix and community collaboration, like you can fork or remix and build on other games, and fostering a community like a Scratch or Roblox. And over 700,000, as I mentioned earlier, 700,000 games are already exist by this community. And educational focusக்காக நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், like a fast iteration. And when you click the history, then you just see all the histories, like when you want to go to the previous version, when you click here, then it just confirm and clear and continue. Okay, so fix it. So some errors இருக்கு, அதை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் how it will work. And கோடுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஆப்வியஸாக வந்து கோடெல்லாம் ஜென்ரேட் ஆகிருக்கு. லைக் ஆப்வியஸ்லி யூ நீட் சம் amount. And when you go here, see, so this is how it will work. I just click the button up and down, arrow left right button நான் இது பண்ணுறேன், அது பேஸ் பண்ணி இது மூவ் ஆகுது பாருங்கள். Okay, this is really cool. And when you click this, and it will be displayed the entire screen itself. This is really cool. And when you click here, and already வந்து இங்கே டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, I think you can also go here and see the game, I believe. Okay, actually இது டெம்ப்ளேட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணி, ஓகே, மேக் a game from this template. Okay, இந்த டெம்ப்ளேட்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி கூட you can create your own game, like you can add some additional functionality on top of the template itself. அந்த மாதிரி கூட இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் லிமிட்டட் credits தான் அவைலபிளாக இருக்கும் when you sign in by using your Gmail, and it's just a limited edition. See, limited ஒரு 10 or 15 தான் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. Other than that, you need to upgrade it properly. I think you can hear the sound itself, right? This is really cool. இங்க பாருங்க. So I think you can okay. So this is really cool, I think. Wow. So this is how it will work. And try to explore this Rosebud AI and use any of this template. And so இது நம்ம ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு ஹாபியாக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். லைக் தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த ஏஐ வந்து மார்க்கெட்டில் அவைலபிளாக இருக்குங்கிறதுக்காக தான் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் bring back this AI to everyone. So just explore all the features, and you will really get ஒரு ஃபன்னியாக நம்ம இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And there are so many things available in the market, and this is one of them. And I'll come up with the next AI in my next video. Thank you.